Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review on Windows 11. I'll be showing you some tips and tricks you should do when you upgrade to Windows 11. But before I continue, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please like, share and subscribe. Let's go. So the first tip I'm going to talk about is called the Snap Flyout. The Snap Flyout is for Windows users who often work with multiple windows at once. To use this, over to the Maximize button and select the preferred layout. As you can see, my current window is in the middle and my videos tab is on my left. And let's say I want my settings to be on my right. And this is how you use the Snap Flyout. I don't want this layout anymore. I can just over to the Maximize button again. And let's say I want this one, I will just select this one that's got 2. And as you can see, my current Windows is on my left and I'll make my settings to be on my right. And this is how you use the Snap Flyout. Virtual desktop. You can create multiple virtual desktop to manage your work. You can do this by pressing the Windows plus Tab buttons on your keyboard or by going over here and selecting new desktop. And if you want more, select this new desktop. And to rename this, just go over to the default one like this desktop 2 and give it a name. So I'm just going to give the name play. And if I want to change the name for this virtual desktop, I'll just select on this one again. Let's give it fun. And also, if I want to rename the background or change the background, I'll just select one of these virtual desktop and right click and select choose background. And this is how you create virtual desktops on Windows 11. The third one is called Taskbar Settings. So this is the taskbar here. And if you don't like the position of the taskbar in Windows 11, you can change the position by selecting on taskbar and right click and select taskbar settings. And after you've selected that, select taskbar behaviors and select taskbar alignment. Mine is on center by default and select left. As you can see, my taskbar has been moved from the center position to my left hand side. Add common folders to your start menu. If you often access common folders in your start menu, you can add these to your Windows 11 PC by going to Settings, go to Personalization, select Start, select Folders, and this is where you can select the folders that you want in your start menu. Windows Terminal. Here's how to use Windows Terminal in Windows 11. Go to the search bar here and search for Windows Terminal. Open it. So in Windows 11, it allows users to create multiple tabs of Windows PowerShell or even multiple tabs of command prompt. It's also got Azure Cloud Shell too. Users can also go to the settings to change the interaction, the appearance, or the color schemes in their Windows terminal. Those are my 5 top tips and tricks in Windows 11. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.